Hello everybody and welcome back. So today we are doing two videos. We did the WWE Supercard video. If you guys have not watched it, watch it. And now we are doing the Nature Box video. Nature Box video. This is number 2, so if you guys have not seen number 1, go check it out. It comes with this little envelope. This not little envelope. It says choose your snacks, choose your team. And then it says this. Wait, what does this say? Oh yeah. And it comes with this little paper. And I did accidentally eat the pineapple one. It was really good, but they gave us an extra snack. They did give us another snack. So we will be doing 5 snacks. Between, because the pineapples was really good, and I was really hungry yesterday. So I got this box last night, and I was really hungry, so I ended up eating the pineapples all of it. Yeah, so let's get started. And I did open the apple one, so this is the apple, Granny Smith apples. Okay. I really like this. I'll show you what it looks like. Oops, that's not a whole one. This is what it looks like. And this is what the bag. Whoops. This is the bag, and this is the seal. Okay, let's see how it did. Real good. This would be good if you need a snack or something. It's a really decent size, and it's the Granny Smith apples. Now the next one we are going to do the Honey Crunch Crisp. I just ate, so I'm a little. I'm trying to save it. Whoops, that's 2. Okay, I don't think you guys can see. Oh. Okay, this is what it looks like, and this is the. This is what it looks like, and this is what it. Really good. And that's the info. I forgot to tell you guys what the info for. This is the info for the Granny Smith apple. Who's also really good. Now, if you guys want to order these and try them for yourselves, it's naturebox.com. So yeah. The next one we are going to do is this one. The oh, it's backwards. Duh. Parmesan garlic pops. And this is the information. Now I am kind of scared of this, but whatever. This is what it looks like. You can't see that. And this is the package. Not bad. If you guys have ever tried those pizza sticks, it does taste like that. It's pretty good. And this is the name. Let's see if you guys want to try it. Parmesan. Oops. Can't even see it. Parmesan garlic hot pot. The next one we are going to try is these everything bagel sticks. Now, these caught my eye because it said everything bagels, and I love everything bagels with chive cream cheese. I might add. Hold on. So this is what it looks like. I might need to make after this. This is what it looks like. This is the package, and this is the what it looks like. This is my second nature box, so if you guys did not oh, this is the information. Pretty good. Like, so you have like a football game and you need snacks. Order these like a month ahead. Yeah, they're really good. And the one that I've been dying to try, and they said that these have been sold out. They don't have them. They ran out because they were so popular for Halloween season. Is these pumpkin spice nom-noms. And then this is the information before I open it, so don't forget. I'm so excited for these. I love pumpkin spice. Are they cookies? Oh, nice. This is what it looks like. Okay. Really good. I like it. Two thumbs up. I'll show you them again while I'm eating. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is my second Nature Box thing I've done. So if you guys have not watched my first Nature Box, I would go watch it. The link will be in the description. So if you guys want to go check that out, the link will be in the description. Make sure if you're new to subscribe. I do WWE Supercard videos, other videos, these videos. So if you guys like these videos, if you guys like WWE Supercard videos, go check those out. They're really fun. And once again, the video, my first Nature Box video, will be in the description. So make sure you go check that out. And make sure you choose subscribe if you're new. I do daily videos, so if you guys want to go check those out, go check them out. They will be on everywhere. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, anyways, want to see more, make sure you thumbs up this video. It truly means a lot to me that when you guys like these videos, because it means that I'm working and I'm having a great time doing these videos, and it means that my hard work is paying off. If you guys want to try the Nature Box, I think there's a code, youtube.com. This is the code that I did for my first box. So if you guys want to use it to get your very first box free, it's youtube.com, not youtube.com, whoa, naturebox.com/. naterblock.com/Shaytars to get your first box for free. So if you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, and make sure to thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below what your favorite, what you guys want, what NatureBox flavor you guys want me to try. Yeah, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day, and be safe, and have fun, and